Calling all beginners, let's make some really cute but simple Valentine cookies. Today we're going to work with the original gel colors, turquoise waters, lilac, and blueberry. All of the colors and tools used today can be found at thesugarart.com, my husband's website. I'm working with 6 ounces of royal icing, and if you need a good royal icing recipe, I've linked Ed's in the caption below. The main purpose of this video is to talk about the gel colors and how pigmented they are. So for the first tone of every color, I just used 1 drop. The medium, 2 drops, and the final 3 drops. Because of the power of these colors, it makes it so easy even for beginners. Take lilac, for example. This is not just a pink. It's not just a purple. It's a pinkish purple, and it is stunning. I love the ombre effect by doing the colors this way. And so you can rest assured that this is the amount of drops I added for every color. No, I do not add extra drops in the background. Can you tell the kind of comments I get on these videos? Yeah. So I'm just easing all concerns up front. The truth of the matter is, I don't need to add drops in the background. That is how pigmented these colors are. But would you expect anything less from the guy that created Master Elite's? No. And never forget that these gels are Master Elite's, but in liquid form. Blueberry is such a wonderful tone because it has a slight undertone of red, and it makes that blue super rich and vibrant. Just take a look at all of these colors. That deep one is wow. And I would say blueberry is among the top 5 Master Elite's that we sell, so you will love it in its gel form. Now, you've probably noticed I have been making these little heart borders, and it's super simple. I've seen a few cookiers do this. It's a wet on wet technique, so you just layer the 2 tones on top of each other. My favorite is dark as a base and the light as the border. It really pops. And then you drag your cookie scribe in the center of all the dots, never stopping, and it will create this really cute heart border. I think this is an easy enough technique for even beginners to try. And we have come to our final color, turquoise waters, which is one of my favorite blues that Ed makes. It's a very sharp blue base with a little bit of yellow, equaling a gorgeous turquoise. Perfect for both spring and summer. Even the lightest tone of turquoise waters can create the most gorgeous robin's egg blue. This is a 13 to 14 second consistency icing because I use the same consistency for both outlining and flooding. On Ed's viral royal icing recipe video, some commented that that is far too liquidy. Well, that may be true for them, but it is not true for me. I absolutely love this 13 to 14 second consistency. It works for me, and it does not overflood on the cookie either. You can see it right here. But the beauty of royal icing, to be honest guys, you can add less or more water to achieve the consistency that works for you. And as an added bonus to this video, we also shared my mom's decades-old sugar cookie recipe that my great-grandmother created during the Great Depression. So you will definitely want to check that out. It is both crispy and soft, and it is incredibly delicious. But yes, I'm partial. So that's it, y'all. If you have not tried Ed's gel colors yet, start with the original gel bundle. They are vibrant and bright, perfect for spring and summer. You will love them, I promise.